Once upon a time there lived an ant and a grasshopper. The ant worked so hard bringing foods to their home every day, while there was a grasshopper, who was singing and playing and does not care anything. Time went by and came along the winter. The grasshopper came to the ant's home cold, all wet and hungry. The ants took him in and gave him food. The grasshopper said, "I am sorry I played the days all away." Moral of the story is one should work hard to live happily.